Welcome to paradise here at Blue Waters Resort in beautiful Antigua. A spacious entryway leads to your closet and dressing area, perfectly designed for longer stays or those who like to unpack in style. Moving into the main suite, you can see the king-size bed takes center stage. The ensuite is pure luxury. A double vanity, along with a lovely glass shower with rainfall shower head, and a deep soaker tub that invites you to just slow down and unwind. Through to the expansive living area, the king-size bed with a cozy sitting space with television ahead, along with a stocked minibar for those evening cocktails before dinner. And just beyond the door is your private outdoor balcony overlooking the infinity pool and the endless Caribbean Sea. This is where mornings begin and sunsets linger. This is the Cove Villa.